Good afternoon, dear students. Today I will teach you the remaining part of the chapter Discovering Tut, the Saga continues by A.R. Williams. Students, in my previous video, I told you about the boy king Tut. Actually, King Tut, or better known as King Tutankhamun, was the last ruler of a very powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. The chapter is based on the excavation of his tomb. Actually, students, tomb means grave. And this tomb was discovered in the year 1922 by Carter. Since then, the modern world has speculated about the possible reasons of his death, as he died at a young age of just 18 years. Students, now let us talk about the CT scan of Tut's mummy. It was 6 p.m. on 5th January 2005 when the mummy of Tutankhamun moved smoothly and quietly into CT scanner, which had been carried to Tut's resting place. And now the question is why this was done. Actually, the aim was to find out answers of two questions. Now, what are the questions? First one, how did he die? Then second, how old was he at the time of his death? Students, now let us talk about the result of CT scan. A technician displayed astonishing images of Tut on a computer screen. A grey hat took shape from a scattering of pixels. The technician spanned and tilted it in every direction. Neck vertebrae appeared quite clearly. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a narrow cross section of the skull. Dr. Jahi Hawass smiled to see that nothing had gone seriously wrong. Students, do you remember Jahi Hawass? Actually, Jahi Hawass was the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. As the technician left the trailer, they saw the star constellation, which the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris. Actually, constellation is the group of stars, and the stars are arranged in a beautiful or some pattern. So, actually, Osiris is the god of afterlife. They felt as if God were watching over the boy king. So, this much for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.